My bruh. At the start of the video, I just get hit by a nuke. Alright. Hello everyone, my name is Teardown Gamer, and today we are gonna be in Teardown, maybe do a little bit of brick rigs. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So first, starting off with the tower. The tower that I just okay. Alright, so this tower was made, is a dynamic panel tower. I'll link it in the description below. Also, if you're wondering about the update for the, oh gosh, wait, I didn't even move it and it's already falling? But I see a bunch of nukes. Yeah, probably not a lot of people today. Oh my. Oh my. Dude, I barely even touched it and now it's falling. What? It's falling randomly. That's crazy. Wait. Wait a minute. What is it? Is it going straight for us? Is that going straight for us? Oh, that is. Oh my. Oh. And. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's what I wanted. My frame rate to go take a break. Literally just trying to kill itself for some reason. Because why not? Okay. Alright, let's see what there is. Oh, we got this. I think we have... Okay, so we got that. Yeah, there also is like this thing. Yeah, some old Japanese music from the wars. These discs right here. But I'm not gonna play it because, yeah. Okay, so we got this. We got. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's always gonna be something dumb over there. Okay, so. The next disaster is people vandalizing it or just absolutely destroying it. There we go. Block that off. I think we can block. Oh no, we have to. Boop and. Oh yeah, sorry everyone. You can't get your groceries today. Someone has to go get the bathroom. Oh yeah, you too. We're gonna have to close this area off. Do like imagine like just the owner, like someone says that and then like you see them just vandalizing it after. It's crazy. And what's back here? I never noticed. Oh, how convenient. What is it? Vegetable market. Where? I don't see the vegetable market. Or was it up here? What is this? What does it say? Grocery store with a convenient addition for yeah, whatever this is. Probably a Korean area, but who cares? Okay, I would see if I can find a sign for it. Just want to be curious. Also, what's here? Here is fish market. I think this is supposed to be the fish market, but I don't think it is anymore. Okay, what does this say? Dream Fragment Court. So this is the Dream Fragment Court. Nice. So, and then there's a fish market here, and then supposed to be what is a vegetable market. Oh, it's vegetables. Vegetables market. Okay. Now the next disaster is fire. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. Yeah, it's gonna probably take a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. I'm probably gonna speed. Yeah, I'm gonna speed it up. Just give me a second. All right, speeding up in 3, 2, 1. Speeding activated. Okay. Speeding has been deactivated. Okay. What took a whole few seconds for you guys took like a whole minute for me. Let's check my task manager. Oh yeah, just what I like to see. Teardown hogging up all my memory. And barely any CPU is used. I mean, it's being used by task manager for some reason. But it's not being used by Teardown or snipping tool because I'm using it right now. And it's taking and it's literally hogging up all my resources from my memory. But who cares and who asked? Close. Okay. Alright, that was actually kind of good. Alright. Okay, next one. So, we're gonna see. Okay, let's do recently subscribed. Because why not? Okay. And okay, mechanical elevator. Let's go. So oh, what is this? Wait a minute, where? Oh, I see. You have to put it all the way up. Okay. Let's press the button. Oh. Wait, how do we even stay straight?
They hurt my ears.
Oh.
Yeah, I hated them.
Oh. Bruh. Okay. So, the next disaster that can happen in this area is literally just a good old classic adios. Hey, we survived. With an addition of the thing going up because I clicked the button. Yeah, that thing's coming down. I don't think it's going to be usable anymore because of what just happened. But we're going to try. Right, chain. Okay. Go up, chain. Okay. This chain's acting out. Okay. Alright. We're gonna use a cable here and a cable there. And hey, why not just put a cable right there? Alright, head up. No way! We just fixed the elevator with just 3 cables. I have a feeling that this is gonna go nuts because of the bottom. Yeah. Probably gonna have to wait and see. Probably also might want to stop this thing. Because there's no way. We just created an elevator. Again, by just using ropes. Now, the thing that can happen is, some of them might just go nuts and snap off. Like it's going on right now. Yeah, okay, that's the fastest way to get down. Okay. Alright, next one. We already did that one. No, that doesn't have anything. Sectional garage door, working laptop, working vending machine. This concert park. No, sometimes. So, you're at concerts, right? Like, you go to concerts, like, meet out. This is gonna be called, a concert of 75, because I played this thing like 75 times, because yes. Okay, so I think this is the not the recording studio, the effects studio? Fire. Oh! No. Off, on, it's on, orange, blue, and focus. Just put off, on, there we go. Emergency, Programmed. Nice. Okay, so this is now a concert. Yeah, everything's up in flames right now, but who cares? Now, the thing that can happen with these fires is that sometimes they can go nuts. And sometimes they can just cause an extreme, yeah. So, that's what's gonna happen here. Wait, what did I just say? I don't even know what I just said. Oh, red, orange. Orange should be on orange. That's on yellow, bro. Okay. Come on, start fire. Oh, let's go. Okay, so sometimes that can happen with these. So that's what's happening right now. Okay. A fire offline. Get emergency. Yeah, emergency just shuts the hell thing off. Like evacuates everyone. It's immediate shut off. But sometimes these fires can get a little too big. Color. No, I don't want that. Dude, I think I'm being mushed. Oh my gosh. Dude, even the camera's not pleased. Even the camera's literally recording the whole thing when they're literally right there. Okay, camera, you're gonna go over there so you don't burn to death. So we get the fire department. Wow. Okay, enough of that. We're gonna get out of here. Okay. Alright. Alright. Now, in Roblox Studio, it's finally time. It's time. It's time to do this. The big update for Mini Amusement Park, now going to be called Science World. Yeah, beta. Science Park. Science National Park. Science World National Park. Okay. Now, what I like to do for these logos, I sometimes use a co-pilot and just axe it. Like with this one, how I use that. So, but sometimes it just gets messy. Okay, sometimes I just have poster about Science National Park. I'll try to create that. You better. Turn every picture into a poster. I don't want that. Now, can you get this out of here? Oh my gosh. No, get out, bruh. Okay, create a poster. Let's see. Add some rides. Add some rides. I'll try to create that. Okay, this is actually taking a while. Now, there's these things where you... Yeah, but okay. Open... No. Oh! This is actually really good. Okay, so... To be honest, I'm actually gonna... Oh, wait, no. Wait a minute. Wait. Steampunk. What is that gonna look like? Imagine if it just, like, goes nuts. Dude, there's no way this is gonna be better than... Bruh, it was almost good. Bruh, National... Okay, this is why sometimes I don't like to use this. It always sometimes misspells it. Yeah. What about Art Deco? Art Deco! Let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's actually kind of good, but next I spell the E better. yeah. Also, bruh. What else? There's claymation. There's pixel art. Pixel art. Let's try pixel art this time. If it, okay. Waiting. Ooh, Scienceburg National Park. It actually looks kind of good. That actually looks good. There's no way it almost recreated a zipper. Dude, right here was supposed... Okay. Now, if y'all don't know what the zipper is, here, let me show you. Here, mini amusement park. Hurry the hell up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good. Okay. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I made this. It's supposed to be like a casino. Yeah, it's like small little things. Yeah. Yeah. I stopped working on the casino for a while, but probably not even gonna add it. I got inspiration by a person, but I was like, nah, it's a little too complicated. I'm not gonna lie. So I just wanna. I'm just gonna lose this now. There's like no point in having a casino. There's also a big amount of space that we need to use. So let's search for rides. Cart rides. Ooh. Cart rides. What the hey? Let's do a car ride. Okay, that's a starting point. Ooh. Okay, so I guess this is gonna be a one-way trip. A one-way trip, I guess. So it could look good. Okay, never mind. This thing's a little too hard. Ooh, I think we already have the tornado. Should be around here somewhere. Yep, right here. They wanted to call this like the, not the zipper. The zipper's over here somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, this is a zipper. Yeah, zipper. So, and we also got this questionable thing. I call it the sky wheel because that's what it's called. And also, I kind of like this one a lot. Especially I'm gonna show you all the rides. What's gonna be going on? So, cart ride game. Boom, cart ride. Boom. Yes, I want that. Okay. Ooh, I think we have to copy and paste this. We're probably also gonna put it out a little bit. There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes. Okay, what's this? Oh, Deep Park Rock. Ooh. Why is it that big though? But that actually kind of looks good. We're gonna put it right here next to the Cyclone. Alright, Super Shot. Ooh, what's a Super Shot? Ooh, that's actually kind of good. Put that right next there. Okay. Oh, I just realized that's a little bit higher. For some reason. We'll just move you down. Just give me a second. There we go. Oh yeah. Also, my last video, I think last video for like this, I actually had anchored this to the thing so it wouldn't stop. So it would stop. Okay. Control V. Come on. Control V. What the? Control C. Control V. Okay. Now we just need to do is rotate you. Rotate. 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 And rotate. Rotation. We need a rotator. Okay. There we go. There we go. We did it. Yep, we did it. I think that's it for the road. We have finished the road. Finally, after a while. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. There's also this motel. I went to the free models thing. I searched up a place for you guys to be comfy in. And yeah, I found this. And also, fireball. Yep, we got the fireball. I think there was another one, but I deleted it because it was too big. Ooh, yeah, this one's actually my favorite. This one's called the Sky Tower. I think. Maybe? I think it's Star Tower. Yeah, Star Tower. Yeah. And also, the one that made the logo was this. Dude, I can't... When I was like searching for a name for this, I went with mini amusement park because it was like so many. But now look at it. It's just big. It's big. We're probably... Oh, no. I think my... Yeah, okay. Okay, I don't even know what just happened, okay. Did I spawn or something? Or did someone just hack my game or something? I don't know. Okay. Or probably someone just joined anyway, so... Alright. I think we're ready for the big update. Adding a little bit more rides. Tilt-a-whirl ride. Boop. Ooh, I think it's this one, right? Yeah, that's that one. I think that was the original, but someone stole it. Okay. Okay. Ooh, oh. Yeah, we're not gonna question that. Okay. Windsurf. Okay. Windsurf. Ooh. Oh, I think I know this one. They forgot the name. We're gonna put you over here by the dining hall. Not the dining hall, the picnic area. Whatever it's called. I think I named this the food court. The food court holds some food trucks. Like I see in regular theme parks or amusement parks or whatever. Oh yeah, I forgot I made this. Credits for these. Yeah. Remember that. Oh yeah, I also got a new YouTube. We're gonna edit this as well. So, I've been like saying stuff that like I had lost my my old account for like a while now. You guys are probably gonna freak out. You guys are probably not gonna even question it. You're probably just gonna say, well, what do you mean by that? Like, well, what do you mean? So, where's text? Sign, part, surface, tags, attribute, surface, okay. Come on. Anchored, I need to see where is the thing. The name, I just want to rename this. Source Sans Pro. Yeah, Source Sans Pro. Ooh, okay. Like that. Oh, I just deleted it. Okay, I really want to change this thing. Text label, sign. Okay, we're just gonna I'm trying to see how do you contact. Yeah, I think what you like. Oh, I think you have to click it correctly. Because I think then you can edit it. Yeah, so definitely go subscribe to that. So you're probably wondering if I kept bragging about my One Plus Play channel, how is it? I recently got it back. Probably gonna be also posting this on my One Plus Plays account and my Whole Gamer account. Maybe, I don't know. I'm probably gonna post it on the Whole Gamer because Whole Gamer is like a channel about updates and sometimes playing brick rigs. So I'm playing Steam games, and on my other one, I'm playing I'm playing other games. So I think we're done. We're almost done. Just need to add a few more cars. So we got a fireball. Oh, never mind. I think I had that one. Oh yeah, it's over there. Okay, zipper. Updated version. Yo-yo. Slingshot. Ooh, I've been wanting a slingshot in my ride. Yeah, but I couldn't find a good one. I think we ran out of space. Once we run out of space, I'm gonna update this. And we're probably gonna need. So right here is gonna be probably a waterfall. Yeah, a waterfall. Oh, that's big. There was a water ride here, but it kind of broke. It sucked. I'll probably do it like right here. No, I want these. No. Okay. So I guess here's gonna be perfect. So we're probably gonna rescale this. I think I added something. Oh my god. Okay. I'll press anchor. There we go. You can also walk around it, but if you want a full-on adventure, you can just climb on up. You just climb, walk down, slide down, and then you're over here. Oh yeah, I forgot I was gonna scale it, so I don't think you have a choice. I'm probably also gonna put some. Okay, bigger. Alright. And move down. There we go. It's done. I don't think you're actually supposed to be going up here. I think it's supposed to be actually connected to a wall. That's fine. Was that another waterfall? We'll add a realistic one. Yeah. Looks good. That looks good, and I just moved the whole thing. Alright, now I need to rescale this. Rotate. Waterfall. Water. Plunge. There we go. It's falling down. Okay. I think it's done. Well, I guess everyone, welcome to Science World National Park. Still need to rename this though, but who cares? It's finally done. It's done. It looks good. That one actually looks good, so I save it like that. Go back. got that one. We got this one. Science World National Park. Ooh, this one actually looks good. No defects. Yeah, I guess. Nah, we're gonna go for this one. This one looks better. Ooh, what about watercolor? I haven't seen that one. Let's see watercolor. Oh my gosh. Dude, this looks even better. Hell yeah, I'm doing this. Alright. Copy. So, remember that this is actually from Copilot. So, credit for Microsoft for making Copilot so I can make my game. It wouldn't have been done without your Copilot's help for this to make like logos and all that. And also, I think something's hogging up all my resources. You'll see my task manager. Task man. Where the heck did my task manager go? Okay, right here. Efficiency. Resources by the process. Because it's hogging all my resources, and so is my thing. Okay, now that's hogging all my resources for some reason. Okay, wrong one, okay. Okay, so... Wait, does it do original, or just... Okay, I guess we're stuck with this. Alright, copying. Recopied, okay. Now let's go here. I think you have to open up it again. Bing, no, okay, go. Okay, Roblox Studio. Open up. And, alright. Oh, I need to rename this. How do I have to rename this somewhere else? Oh. Bing right there, okay. Pin tab group, ungroup. Miniatures in park, settings, okay. There we go, Science World National Park. The beta. We're just gonna name it Science World National Park, not the beta. Oh yeah, it's also not recommended for low-end devices. As a random, except for the purple one, it makes it go crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this game. Just enjoy this game. Save changes. Now, finally, Science World National Park. Settings, places, permissions, secrets. Secrets? Okay, I actually want... Ooh. Benchmark. I barely... Okay. Now we're... Okay, how does this work? Benchmark. average over selected period. So total is 0 for some reason. Rentation, take actions to get more users to return. I don't even know how this works, so I don't think it's supposed to be anyways. Bands, sponsor. I'm probably gonna do a sponsor if someone actually asks. But maybe not. No, I wanna creations. What? DivX. Okay, so I have a lot of games. I'm working on a few of them. I played with this one. This one is like so old. I made it like when I was like 9. I'm like young. Still young, but not that young. View on Roblox. Open a new tab. Copy universe. Configurize localization. I want to be free. I want to be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I actually do want to be free, not gonna lie. Create badge. How do you work ooh. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Badge is enabled. We need a logo. Screen recordings, Roblox. Captures. We need Copilot. Copilot. No, get out of here. Okay, Copilot. Boom. Give me that. Where's that one? Over here. Okay. Share. Down. We need to do something. Boom. Downloading. And once it's downloaded, we can upload the image. Go to downloads. Designer. Here we go. Dang. Spelled it wrong. Thanks for joining. Hope you enjoy the ride. Hope you enjoy the rides. Create badge. And create badge. Welcome active. One ever. Rarity 0%. So it's a freebie, right? Yeah, it should be a freebie. I don't even. Science World National Park. There we go. There we go. Settings. Boom. Profit. Okay, so I just need to figure out how to configure the thing. How to change places over review. Edit no. Cancel. No. Cancel. All I just want to do is just change this thing. How do I do it? I don't know. Okay, open place page, configure page, basic settings, thumbnails, okay. Image free, video, no, auto-generated image, upload image, designer, boom. Wait, is that a thumbnail? Wait, is it thumbnail or an icon? Thumbnail or icon? Oh, great. Yeah, can we delete that? Yeah, thank you. But I'm probably also gonna put like a little bit of rhymes. I'll also use one of these. Hey, what about we use claymation for the background? How about that? Ooh. Okay. I don't understand why it's like that. But who cares? Alright, Science World National Park. Kind of good? Who cares? Art decor, low poly, or origami. I haven't done that in a while. Let's see. See, Copilot, what do you have for us? What do you have for us? What do you have for us? Science World National Park. You cannot. Science World Park. Where's the National? That's actually kind of good, but I'm going to stick with this one. Boom. Download. That was good. Boom. Experiences. Home. No, not that. It's here. So, Science World National Park. I think I forgot where what. Oh, it's right above this. Okay. No, I don't want an auto-generate. Boom. 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 Alright. Thank you all for old text. No, I'm good. I'm good. I don't want any text. Thank you. But I'm good. Image. I guess it's time to change the icon. Goodbye, old icon. We'll miss you. And boom. It's in review, which will be visible to others after moderation. So it's in review. Well, that's in review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me editing this. I know we hadn't got to the brickworks part, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in a brand new video. Have a good day.